Hello everybody, today we make some dish so easy. Everybody can make this. Everybody got the stuff I gotta use it tonight. I think everybody got at home the same stuff I got. We make a penne arrabbiata. And I got over here penne. I got a plum tomato, already I take the skin out. I got my oil baby fresh hot pepper, a garlic, and I got flake hot pepper. I need I want really arrabbiata, really mad the penne. Che need la arrabbiata when you mad. And I got fresh basil. And I want to use pecorino cheese. Okay, now the start, I want to start. We put over here the garlic. At the same time, I want to start the pasta. The pasta, it gotta stay 12 minutes to cook. This dish, it take like 11 to 12 minutes to make this dish. If I start, I got the water on over here already. And the water boil. And what I do, I put the pasta already. Like this, the pasta you gotta cook about 11 minutes. The tomato, this and that, it be ready at the same time. And like this.
Elena, she said hello, Gigi.
Hello. And we start with the pasta. And I give a little mix. And the pasta already is salty already. And now we got the garlic over here.
Yeah,
and
we have pecorino romano.
Yeah, pecorino romano. Okay, now we chop this garlic. Okay, we put the garlic right over here. Okay, now I got this hot pepper. And what I do, I put on the middle like that, and I cut a little piece like this. But this it's really hot, huh? And we put it back on this little dish over here.
Laura, she said I had this for dinner last night.
Oh yeah?
Ooh, it smells hot.
It smells hot. Now, let me make a turn of the pasta. At the same time, I got the pots on over here. I want to put the oil, to warm up the oil a little bit. And I lower the flame, because I don't want the oil to be too hot. And I split the tomato like this. And I have voce incappucciata la 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 la. E metto il latte del bacetto un po' fatta.
Michael, you make ziti and give to all the neighbors.
Non c'è.
Good job. Serrano peppers. No, I think this was different pepper. I don't know which one.
Okay, now this I take it out the little seeds.
Sharon, she said, was watching Jeremy's video. It was good.
Yeah. Everybody, I wanted to look at Jeremy. He started to cook good. I see him, the cook, he do a good job. Dico tutte cose. Panarichine, tutte fraule e giardina. Zucchero e cannella per impastare sta bocca bella. Non c'è bisogno zingara per addivinare con c'è.
Yeah, he put in hot water and took the skin off. Remove.
Trezzatura, per farsti trezzatura.
Yeah, he drinks grappa at night.
when I sit on the couch, we look at the TV, and we drink little grappino. Okay, now.
Hello, Elena. How is the bingo going? Edwin is watching too.
Io saccio meglio te, parapabumzi punzi pera, parapabumbi bumbi pa, la la, pizza fritte baccalà.
I'm from Poland.
Okay, now we put this right over here in this dish. Okay, now let me wash my hand, okay? Now we gotta start the nut.
Michael, he make you limoncello. It's so good.
Okay, now let's go on the stove. And I bring the garlic, the pepper, the flake hot pepper, everything. And I got the plum tomato. Okay, now let's start the garlic.
Debbie is making fish and chips.
And I got the, oh yeah, baby, hot pepper.
No, we use the 100 proof vodka, alcohol.
Marie, way Marie. I want to put another drop of oil. Naggia perza che te famma dormire.
Tamara, she said, oh, it's anniversary. Can you wish them happy anniversary?
Happy anniversary. E let's do salute cin cin. Happy anniversary.
I didn't pick up the names, but I think it's Tamara and I don't know. Sorry for that.
I put the hot flake, hot pepper.
Ah, somebody's making quarantini martini.
Oh yeah? Okay. And now? Okay, good.
Larry asked, can you make stuffed clams? With clams, it's not, it's like kind of hard to get them, so whenever will be possible to get.
Yeah, we can make it maybe clams arreganata, clams casino.
Billy said martini time. No, he has wine now.
Well, Anna was a look at the time for the pen, eh?
35 he was.
35?
So you gotta be 47.
Okay, good. And I want to put a little salt. That the pasta is already, I salted already the pasta.
It's such an easy dish.
Way Marie, Marie. Okay, I'll load the flame and now this. Boy, it's hot. Whew, really hot. And what I want to do, I got my.
Well, this is fresh tomatoes, but you can use from the can. It doesn't matter.
What I put in my seeds? It was in my seeds. Take it out. Okay. I want to use the basil. Wash.
Looks so good already.
Oh, The fresh basil is so good.
The tomatoes were good too.
Yeah, really good. What do you say, 47?
Yeah. Michael asked, what pasta is your favorite pasta?
Well, I like a penne, spaghetti. I like any kind of the pasta, bucatini. The only thing I don't like really it's the little pasta, the thin pasta. What do you call this? The
Angel hair.
Angel hair. Okay, it's really thin. I like rigatoni. Rigatoni, it's really good too. Salute cin cin. A little pecorino cheese, it's really good. I hope tomorrow say got a big beautiful day. I hope so. I got a lot of work that be done.
Somebody asked, what do you call this dish?
Penne Arrabbiata. In Italy, Arrabbiata, it's when somebody really mad. It's called arrabbiata. It's arrabbiata. That's what it called, arrabbiata.
Like you are.
Somebody said that?
I say. You can buy on his website, you can go to his page and a shopping list. Karen, how you doing, Karen?
Yeah. One more minute. 1 minute. It's really, really good.
Smells so good.
Oh boy, this plum tomato really nice, really
know.
good. Look how
Yeah.
nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We put it right over here after. I think maybe we gotta put something to put on the top, right?
No, he doesn't have his own restaurant, just home cooking.
Okay, now, okay, it's 46. Yeah, I taste it, it's good.
Okay.
Okay, now we turn the gas off. And I want to put this right over here. I want to strain with this like that.
Looks so good. Say hello to dog.
Hello, dog. Dog?
I don't know. Yeah.
Hello, dog. Oh.
Karen, she says she's doing good. She's loving Jeremy's videos. He's doing competition to his father.
Yeah, it's good. It's good that I won. I told him, I say, you gotta start to cook something.
Somebody said I don't like angel hair either.
Thank you very much. Okay, look how nice.
Beautiful. Smells so good too.
Yeah. Okay. And now we give a nice turn on this. We put the gas a little bit high. Look how beautiful.
Well, I'm making a lot of things. I like experiment other food. Like
She cook good, really good. She teach me a lot of things to make the Polish dish.
do
And
you
she-
make own pasta? Yes. Looks so good.
All right. we turn off this, and we gotta put it someplace now. I put it right over here.
Pick up something because it's maybe hot. A lot of people don't like angel hair.
Okay, I want to take this. Okay, let's bring it right over here. Okay.
Wow.
Huh?
Yep. Smells so good.
Look beautiful. I don't want to forget my wine. Okay, let's taste this. Look at the pepper. The pepper, it's really, really hot. Now, I put a little pecorino cheese on top.
Pierogi, yeah, maybe we can do pierogi.
Okay. All right. I want everybody to make this. Penne Arrabbiata is so good, so spicy, really, really good. And with the cheese, it make a nice look at that.
Looks so good.
It's really, really good. It not take long, 11 minutes, and the dish is done. You can have a nice dinner with the family, everybody. I want to say thank you very much. And thank you everybody that watch on my video. We cook extra time now this every week. Everybody asks me, Pasquale, why you know cook something? Can now everybody home? And with the kids, everybody now the kids start to learn too to cook something with the parents. It's really good. And I want to say it again, salute chin chin, and thank you very much for your star you give it to me. It's really good. I want to say thank you to everybody for supporting me too. Thank you, e salute, e chin chin to everybody.